Hello, my friends and Evolutionary Energy Arts family. Well, guys, first we had the Hubble Space Telescope, their premier camera shutting down. All right, so NASA said the camera stopped working Tuesday. Their other three scientific instruments are still working fine. Celestial observations are continuing, no camera, but the rest is okay. And this third incarnation of the wide field camera was installed by spacewalking astronauts in 2009. The camera has a backup electronics that could be called into action if necessary, according to NASA. The camera has captured stunning images of stars, galaxies stretching back far into time, and assisted in deep sky surveys. It's also studied objects in our own solar system, discovering some of the tiny moons around Pluto as well as a 14th moon around Neptune. And it takes pictures in both visible and ultraviolet light, as well as near infrared. And so it's orbiting 350 miles above the Earth. Now, I understand, guys. I hear my flat earther people out there saying, no. But, okay. Whatever. Anyway, this is what they tell us. So Hubble was launched in 1990 and visited by space shuttle astronauts for repairs and upgrades 5 times. Now, last fall, Hubble stopped working altogether for 3 weeks because of a pointing problem, so they say, and this was the first time the camera had acted up like this. Now we have another. So first we had the Hubble, and now we have the Chandra. Another NASA space telescope shuts down in orbit. Okay. Sure. Another NASA space telescope has shut down and halted science observations. Why does that make me a little bit nervous? Do you guys feel that? Is it just something that's like a little bit make you say, huh? This is perhaps a little fishy? So less than a week after the Hubble went offline, the Chandra X-ray Observatory did the same thing. NASA said Friday that Chandra's automatically went into the so-called safe mode on Wednesday, quote-unquote, possibly because of a gyroscope problem. Hey, they're throwing it out there. Hubble went into hibernation last Friday due to gyroscope failure. Really? That's an interesting coincidence. Both orbiting observatories are old. Yeah, they're old, and they're in well-extended missions. I guess these things can happen, right? Hubble's 28, Chandra is 19. So flight controllers are working to resume operations with both. NASA said it coincidentally, it's just a coincidence, right, that they both went to sleep within a week of one another. It's just a coincidence. Do you guys believe in coincidences? So what do you think? Is it a coincidence? Well, an astronomer who worked on the Chandra, Jonathan McDowell of the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, tweeted on Friday that Chandra decided that if Hubble could have a little vacation, then I want one too. That's great. Let's make it really cute and funny. So these are part of NASA's Great Observatory series. The others are the Compton Gamma Ray Observatory, which was also launched in the 90s but eventually failed and was destroyed, and the Spitzer Space Telescope launched in 2003 is still working. Maybe we should look and see exactly where these things are pointed. So each was intended to observe the cosmos in different wavelengths. So do you guys think, as we see just yet another article talking about it, do you guys think this is just simply a coincidence? Both going into hibernation because of gyroscope problems within days of each other? Interesting. Don't you think so? Do you think there's something else going on here? Do you think there's something they don't want us to see? Could there possibly be something else that maybe is kind of in view that they don't want the public knowing about? Nah, probably not, right? It must just be a coincidence. Don't you guys think so? They can't be hiding something from us. Could they? Would they? Right? Well, I mean, I know some of you guys think NASA means never a straight answer. What could they possibly be hiding?